I'm going to introduce to you my very special guest. I'm going to let him introduce himself, and I'll tag his link to his profile below so you can check him out after.
My name is Jerry. I am the owner of JM Fit Clinic, Sports Injury Clinic, which is based in Zone Gym Wood Green. I treat, manage and rehabilitate sports injuries. I work within the clinical settings and mobile services as well. So whichever suits your needs, I'm there for you. What I want, first of all, you see my beard is there naturally, so I want to keep the beard.
Yes.
But for the top, if I can get fades, possibly, if possible. You know the shape of my hair. You know if fades will suit you. If not, maybe you can recommend what will suit.
Okay, yeah, we can definitely do a fade.
Okay, but I want to keep that just a mark, just to tidy it, just keep it tidy.
Okay.
Not low, just keep it just tidy. No.
Okay.
Yeah. definitely the best haircut I've had.
What?
No, 100%. Especially with this beard.
Let's do the dance. Google review.
Will encourage me to keep my beard.
Yeah.
Because what I do, I grow the beard, I shave it off, grow it because I don't get the hair that matches it.
Yeah. But the beard suits you, man.